If your YouTube app keeps on stopping, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube keeps stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to stop this. First, you need to go to your phone and troubleshoot your YouTube app by going to settings. From settings, look for apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. From the list, search for YouTube and here it is. From this list, go to Force Stop App to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache and finally clear all data. Then restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now open your YouTube app and everything should be okay. But at this point, if it doesn't still work, then check it and see if we have any update from Google Play Store. Here, open your Google Play Store app and search for YouTube and update it to the latest version. Sometimes even after updating your YouTube app, you might still find your YouTube app still stopping. For that, it means your YouTube app mostly has bugs. To fix bugs, you'll need to uninstall your YouTube app and then install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with your YouTube app. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue and your app should be up and running. But should you still experience the same issue, check and see that you are not using any VPN app. If you have any VPN turned on or any security app that you recently installed turned on your phone, this might be the reason you are experiencing this. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.